So we've got a Venn diagram question. You can see the universal sets that we've got 10 numbers, and that A has 2, 3, 5 and 7, B has 4, 6, 8 and 10, and we have to explain why A and B is a null set. Why is it an empty set? And you can see that A and B don't have anything in common. There is no number in A that is also in B. So I'd write down that there's no number in A that's also in B, an empty intersection. Okay, so when we look at part B, it's saying look at the numbers that are neither A nor B. They're saying there's two numbers. Now look at the universal set says that there's 10 numbers in the world, and there are two numbers that are not in A or B. I think you can see that 1 and 9 are not represented in A or B. So they're the two numbers that are neither in A nor in B. Okay, that funny euro sign with a line through it means what number does not belong to A or B. Okay. Now what I could do here is I could just draw a quick Venn diagram. Okay. And fill it in with the details. We know there's nothing in the middle, but we can fill in A, we can fill in B, and you can see that 1 and 9 are not represented. So that's my answer to part B. Okay, for this last part, part C, which is quite tough, so we'll take our time doing it. We'll do it nice and slowly. I'll have to understand what all these symbols mean. Now it says that A or B or C has the universe, which is 1 to 10. So all the numbers have to be in 3 circles now. And we know that the A and C bit has to have a 2 in it. But we know that there's nothing in the A and B bit from the first part of the question. So we're going to have to puzzle our way through this. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw 3 interlocking circles. Okay. And label them A, B and C. And I know the bit that links A and B is empty, so I'm not going to put anything in those middle two between A and B sections. But there is something between A and C, and there's a 2 in there, isn't there? So I can put the 2 to the bit between A and C. Good. Also, I know what's in A, and I know what's in B. I can write down now what's in A, surely. And I can also think about what's in B but not in C. Apparently it's 4, 6 and 10 it tells us. Okay, but we know if we're looking at B, what B includes. B has to have another number. And we know it's not in the A and B section, so we should be able to fill in the rest of A and only A, and the rest of the numbers that should be in between B and C, but not in A and B. So it's a bit of a puzzle, isn't it? Take your time. Okay. Now, this AB is supposed to contain all the numbers 1 to 10. And so we're going to have to stick in 1 and 9. And you can see that B is missing a number. Yes, that's better. Okay, so now B's done, A's done, and C has to contain all the rest. And we've worked out in part B that that's 1 and 9. So now I've got all 10 numbers are in my A, B and C, and I think I've obeyed all the 3 rules. That dash means not, so B and not in C has to be 4, 6, 10, which is what we've got. Just checking, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have, so therefore I think I'm done. Okay, so let's check out the examiner's report, and you definitely want to pause this and have a good look at what we've done. Don't think that was a particularly easy question actually, particularly part C. Okay, and pause that. I think you can see that we have actually got it right.